Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy savings challenges with Qapital, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by downloading the Qapital app from your preferred app store. Once the app is installed, open it and create an account if you haven't already. Log in to your Qapital account. Navigate to the Goals section of the app. Select Create a Goal to set up a new savings challenge. Choose a name for your savings challenge, such as emergency fund or vacation savings. Set a target amount you want to save for this challenge. Decide on a time frame for when you want to reach your goal. Next, select the rules feature to automate your savings process. Explore different rules available, such as rounding up your purchases to save the spare change. Choose the rules that best fit your saving style. Adjust the settings as needed, such as how much money to save per transaction. Once you're satisfied with your rules, confirm your selections. Review your savings challenge details to ensure everything is correct. Tap on Start Saving to officially launch your challenge. You can now monitor your progress from the Goals section. Remember to check in regularly to keep your motivation high. That's it. You are now ready to deploy your savings challenges with Qapital. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.